The rain falls from the sky for a reason. It comes down to flourish our souls as well as the seasons. The rain serves such a great purpose. It replenishes the earth. It gives water to the flowers and to the ground so that we can harvest what was once lost can now be found. The rain, teardrops from the sky, it pouring down rain. Don't ask why. I remember I used to go outside and stand in the rain with my face to the sky. No one even know if the teardrop was from a cry. Rain, it comes to cleanse the earth. Rain, it comes to bring birth from seeds that have fallen into the ground. Rain, it replenishes the earth, once lost but now found. The rain, such a great element of the universe. Come stand in the rain with me and release your birth. Through the vision, to the dreams that inspire your heart. Let the rain fall down from the very start. You were created in the image of God. This is one spoken word I'll save to my iPod. Live your life as if today were the last day. And don't you forget to speak to Allah with a humble heart to pray. Fill your mind with good things, for out of the heart flows the issues of life. And remember, you were born to reign and be great without misery and strife. So live your life to the fullest and don't look back, for you are full of greatness. There is nothing you should lack. Whatever you need and whatever your heart desires, seek it from Allah, for He will fill your dreams more than you will ever know. But let me tell you one more thing before I go. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct all your paths. Thank you.